Hello friends, I am Advocate Ayush Biotra from Innovators Law. We as lawyers come across several situations where we or our client tend to use pre-contractual correspondences in order to have a stronger footing during a dispute or even at the time of settlement talks. Now, whether these kind of correspondences are binding on the other party or are they enforceable in the court of law? Well, answer to this question would depend on various factors. One such factor is entire agreement clause in your agreement. Now, what is an entire agreement clause? An entire agreement clause is incorporated in an agreement in order to prevent the parties from relying upon any term which does not specifically form part of that particular agreement. A basic entire agreement clause also provides for supersession of all prior agreements between the same parties. So, such an agreement or such a clause in a particular agreement often renders all the pre-contractual correspondences as futile. Therefore, today I am going to discuss briefly about 5 best practices which can be adopted in order to avoid such a deadlock situation. Number 1, precisely incorporate the entire agreement clause. Do not consider it to be a boilerplate clause. Number 2, ensure that all the pre-contractual correspondences and representations which party intends to rely upon are specifically and expressly incorporated in the agreement. Number 3, while performing your part in a long-term contract, ensure that all the steps are being followed. For example, a written notice is being issued for change of address. This brings me to the next point, which is amendment. Wherever possible, ensure to amend the agreement in order to include or omit such business practices which are practically not in consonance with the terms of the agreement. The last point for today is an independent document or all the independent documents and prior agreements which the parties are intending to rely upon during the performance of this particular contract should be made part of this agreement by incorporating it as a annexure or schedule.